Fixing Samsung Galaxy volume issues, a DIY guide.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem faced by Samsung Galaxy users, the infamous volume issue. This issue can be frustrating, especially when your phone's volume doesn't behave as expected. But don't worry. There are several simple fixes you can try on your own before considering professional help. We will explore them in this video. Remember, having some technical understanding can save you both time and money.
What are the common volume issues?
Before we dive into the solutions, it's essential to understand the most common volume issues Samsung Galaxy users encounter. These can range from low volume during calls to speaker volume being inconsistent or muffled. Recognizing the type of issue you're dealing with can help you choose the most effective solution.
Basic troubleshooting steps.
Let's start with some basic troubleshooting steps. These simple fixes could be all you need. 1. Restart your device. Believe it or not, many glitches can be resolved by a simple restart. Try this first before proceeding to more complex solutions. 2. Check for debris. Ensure that your phone's speakers and headphone jack, if any, are clean and free of debris. Use a compressed air can for best results. 3. Verify your settings. Ensure your volume settings are correct, and you haven't accidentally muted or lowered the volume. 4. Software update. Make sure your phone's software is up to date. Sometimes, volume issues can be fixed by installing the latest software update.
Advanced solutions.
If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, here are some more advanced solutions you can try. 1. Safe mode. Boot your device in safe mode. This can help you determine if a third-party app is causing the issue. 2. Reset settings. Reset your phone's settings to the default. Remember to back up your data before performing a reset. 3. Factory reset. If all else fails, consider performing a factory reset. Please note, this will erase all data on your device, so ensure you have everything backed up. While these solutions can't fix every possible volume issue, they should cover most of the common ones. By understanding your device better and learning to troubleshoot, you can save yourself a trip to the service center. Remember, if the issue persists, it might be a hardware problem, in which case, professional help would be needed. Here's hoping this video was informative and helpful. Keep learning, and stay curious.